Hello, I am Jitesh from Eicher Trucks and Buses. Eicher has set another benchmark in Indian commercial vehicle industry through its all-new revolutionary BS6 solution UTEC 6, which is based on the expertise of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to the Volvo Group for over 6 years. Operational in 41 countries around the globe. Eicher Pro Series BS6 heavy-duty tippers are available in a wide range, starting from 18.5 ton to 35 ton GVW, and are packed with industry-first innovative features. The heavy-duty tipper segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, faster turnaround time, higher uptime, along with driver's comfort and safety. So here comes Eicher with its offering as Pro 8028 XM, where XM stands for Extra for Mine. This next generation 28 ton GVW 654 tipper is targeting segments like coal mining, marble and granite mining, stone quarry, earthwork, irrigation, iron ore, port and limestone. And it is available in CVC as well as various fully built up options with a wheelbase of 4585 mm. Continuing with our core DNA of mileage capacity, Pro 8028 XM is designed to deliver up to 3% better fuel efficiency in the category. Proven VEDX 8 6-cylinder engine with Volvo Group's engine management system and vanadium-based compact box-type keys, delivering a maximum power of 350 HP at 2200 engine RPM and a flat torque of 1350 Nm at a wide engine RPM. It comes with intelligent features like fuel coaching, which provides real-time driving guidance, and M Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and to maximize fuel efficiency. Further, energy-saving components like Viscotronic fan and ESS compressor help to reduce parasitic and mechanical losses. Eicher Pro 8028 XM is designed to deliver up to 5% better turnaround time, hence more trips. Higher power to weight ratio and higher torque to weight ratio help in higher average speed and better pickup. The lower turning circle diameter, superior durability and high torque at wheel ensures faster turnaround time. Further, heavy-duty hub reduction rear axle and two-stage inter-axle and inter-wheel differential locks ensures easy operations on tough and slushy roads and quick turnaround. As downtime is the biggest cost for any transport, so Eicher Pro 8028 XM provides superior uptime. Robust driveline and reliable aggregates ensure that truck is available all the time. Advanced onboard diagnostic system display audio-visual fault signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system ensures engine safety and low maintenance with long and synchronized oil drain interval of 1500 hours. Fully equipped Eicher service network, site support and innovative uptime center ensure your truck is available maximum time to experience the extreme. Eicher Pro 8028 XM provides more comfort and enhanced safety. Ergonomically designed cabin, improved suspension, cruise control, 6-way adjustable driver's seat, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and standard air conditioning for long and fatigue-free drives. Intelligent driver information system to continuously guide the driver on the operational parameters of the truck. With our lifetime support solutions, we provide complete peace of mind through seamless experience from the time you think of buying an Eicher truck to the time you think of selling. For queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or contact on our Eicher care number 1800 102 3531.